Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make chocolate peppermint cake. It's so easy to make and it's perfect for Christmas, so let's get started. In a bowl I will add my chocolate and my cocoa powder, and I will pour over my hot water so my chocolate will melt. Leave the chocolate to absorb the heat from the hot water so it can melt completely. Using a spoon, mix it until your chocolate is melted. My chocolate mixture is now completely melted. I'm going to set it to the side and continue with my recipe. In a big mixing bowl, I'm going to add my butter and my sugar. I'm going to mix them using a hand mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until they are nice and creamy. Your butter needs to be at room temperature so it will be easier to cream. I'm going to add in my eggs and continue mixing until everything is well combined. Now I'm going to add in my peppermint extract, my baking soda, salt, buttermilk, and my chocolate mixture that we prepared before. Now keep mixing using your hand mixer until everything is well incorporated. Lastly, I'm going to add in my flour, and I'm going to mix it until my dough is formed. Scrape the sides of the bowl using a spatula to make sure that everything is well combined. My batter is ready and I'm going to pour it into my form. I have here a 9-inch silicone form where I will put my mixture in, and I'm going to spray some non-stick cooking spray inside so my cake will not stick. Now using a spatula I'm going to pour it over into my container. My cake is now ready to go into the oven, and I'm going to bake this for 50 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Our cake came out of the oven and have cooled down completely. Now I'm going to flip it on top of a nice tray where I will decorate my cake. Now let's prepare a ganache to decorate the cake. Now let's get going with our ganache. In a bowl I have my chopped chocolate and I'm going to add my heavy cream. I'm going to pour it into the microwave until completely melted, and I'm going to stir every 30 seconds to make sure that the chocolate will not burn. Into my chocolate mixture that I have put in the microwave, I will add my peppermint extract. It will give a stronger flavor of the peppermint to our cake. I'm going to mix it using my spatula until it's completely combined. My ganache is ready and now I'm going to pour it over my cake. I'm going to sprinkle on top some Christmas sprinkles. Our cake is ready. Hope you have an amazing Christmas holiday with your family and friends and enjoy this cake. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.